Hello, student. Welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Let's Try to Be Less Stressed. It means that whenever we get a stress, what we have to do to, uh, you know, less down its intensity. So from this chapter, we are going to see that what we have to do so that we will be less stressed. Okay. First of all, observe this picture. In this picture, what do you observe? Here you observe that there is one family and they are, sitting together and togetherly they are enjoying the television show, isn't it? So here we are going to see why we have to be like this. Why we have to be, our family, and why we have to spend time together. See, student, very oftenly we feel stressed in our life, okay, because of many reasons. Our life is very fast, our life is very, what we can say, it's very busy, and so that we face many times stressed, okay. So the when we feel more stressed, then how we will get the relax, okay, how we will get relaxed? So there are some relaxing patterns, okay. So what we have to do to relax ourselves, so that things is explained in this chapter, as we have seen this in this picture. So student, what we have to do when we feel stressed in our life, okay, if there is the time when the life is not easy, then what we have to do? We have to sit with our family and watch the movie, like in like in this picture this family is doing, okay. So by this way you can come out of your stress, okay. If when you had a day with no spark, when if a day is there when you feel no spark in there, and you feel very lazy and clumsy, then what you have to do? Then you have to feel better if you go to the park and see the chirping birds and the other happy people, then you will also feel the spark, okay. If when all is wrong and you had a bad day, then what you have to do? See, sometimes the day comes like this also. At that in that day, nothing is going good. Every time something going bad. So what you have to do? How you will make it? How you bring your day on the right track? At that time, you have to sing, dance, and you just forget all the worries, and you have to sing, and you have to dance, and you have to spend time with your loved ones. So your day will be turned to be good. Okay. See, if you want your hand to feel a little light, why don't you go outside and fly a kite? It means if you want to be a little light in a day, then why don't you go out and play something or do some outdoor games like flying a kite? This will also make you happy, okay. Sometimes you have to read something. Sometimes when you feel very low, sometimes you feel very clumsy, sometimes you feel that there is nothing to do, anything interesting at that time, why don't you read a book? Reading habit is a very good habit. It makes the person's personality, isn't it? It helps to make your personality. So student, whenever you feel down, whenever you feel whenever you want to feel light, you have to go out, you have to play some outdoor games, you have to read the books, and you have to give some time to your mind of the things, and concentrate in books. So in this way you can come out from the trace, and and you can be live your life happily, okay students. So what do you understand by this chapter? By this chapter you understand that trace is a part of life, okay. We can't avoid it. Knowingly or unknowingly we attract the trace, but we should not be always in that state. We can make our life lighter too by doing some good things, like spending time with family, like doing some fun with friends, like reading a books, like playing outdoor games, or like singing, dancing, like going in park and many more things. Okay, so we must learn how to deal with it and find a ways to detrace. Okay, so here we must understand one thing, that trace is a part of life, and we have to learn how to deal with it and how to come out from the stress. Okay, student, so you understand what is this chapter is telling to us, what how we can try to be less stressed. We can try to be less stressed by spending time with family, doing some interesting thing, going out in the park, reading books, and playing some games. By this way, you can make yourself lighter and be de-stressed. Hello, student. Let's see this do you know section. In this section, what we are going to see here, we are going to see here how we can make ourselves happy. What are the ways to make ourselves happy or to face the difficult situation in our lives. See, laughter is a good medicine of on all the bad things. So here also we mentioned that laughter decrease the stress and trigger the release of endorphins. Okay, otherwise known as the body's natural feel good chemical. Okay, it means that whenever we laugh at that time, it releases some hormones. Okay, and that hormones, that chemicals, the hormone is not only the chemicals. Okay, so these chemicals is nothing but the feel good chemicals. Okay, whenever we laugh, it make us feel good. Okay, students, so here there are many ways stress affect our bodies. Stress kill brain cells. Brain cells need a calm environment to grow and thrive. More stress means slower growth. Stress also reduce the efficiency of your immune system, leaving you more prone to getting sick. Okay, students, so we have seen that stress is not good for us. Okay, to reduce the stress in our chapter, there are many ways. Okay, what are the ways? We have to spend our time with our family, with our loving ones. We have to sing, we have to dance, we have to go out, we have to play with friends. These are some kind of things which can keep ourselves away from the stress. There are the stress can affect our body in many ways. So what are the ways? Actually, stress can kill our brain cell. To grow our brain cells properly, it need a calm environment. But if we are in stress, then it kill the brain cells and ultimately it slower the growth. Okay, to reduce the stress to and the stress reduce the efficiency of our immune system, and ultimately we can be get sick. Okay, so student, if you don't want to be sick, you have to be calm down, uh, you have to be stressless. And if you want to be stressless, then you have to follow some rules which have we have already seen in this chapter. Okay, there is one more thing which you can do to less up your stress, that is the taking enough sleep. See, sleep can help to deal with the stress. If you are getting at least 7 hours of sleep every night, you are less likely to be stressed. Okay, students, so you understand, if you have taking a sufficient sleep at night, at least for the 7 hours, then you will be less likely to be stressed. So if you want to reduce your stress, do one thing: take a good sleep. Okay, so go to bed early and rise up early. This is what the rule you have to make in your life. Okay, so student, in this chapter we understand that stress is not a good thing. If you are in stress, then you will look like a sick, you will your immune power will be goes down. And if you are stress free, then you look like happy, and you looks happy, not look like, you looks happy, and you look charming too. So now student, it's your choice that how do you want to look. Do you want to look like a charming happy, or do you want to look like stressed and sick? So student, follow all the things whatever we have discussed in this chapter, and enjoy your life and make your life stressless. Okay, So that's all for today's video. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.